Chocolate is one of the most loved sweets in the world. Every year, factories produce millions of tons of chocolate for people around the globe. But have you ever wondered how cocoa beans are turned into delicious chocolate bars? Today, we're taking you inside a modern chocolate factory where powerful machines and advanced technology are used to produce chocolate on a massive scale. In this video, we will explore the complete chocolate manufacturing process step by step. If you enjoy watching factory processes, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because here you will see many more amazing factory production videos. Now let's begin. Step 1. Harvesting cocoa beans. The journey of chocolate begins with the cocoa tree. These trees mainly grow in warm regions such as Africa and South America. Large cocoa pods grow on these trees, and inside each pod there are cocoa beans. Farm workers carefully cut these pods from the trees and open them to collect the cocoa beans covered in white pulp. These beans are the main raw material used to produce chocolate. Step 2. Fermentation process. After the beans are removed from the pods, they must go through the fermentation process. Workers place the cocoa beans in wooden boxes or cover them with banana leaves, where they ferment for about 5 to 7 days. During fermentation, natural heat and microorganisms develop the rich flavor of chocolate. Without this process, chocolate would not develop its deep and complex taste. That is why fermentation is considered one of the most important steps in chocolate production. Step 3. Drying the cocoa beans. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sunlight for drying. They usually dry for 7 to 10 days. The purpose of drying is to remove excess moisture from the beans. Properly dried beans can then be stored safely and transported to factories. Step 4. Transport to the chocolate factory. Once the beans are fully dried, they are packed into large sacks. These sacks are transported by trucks and cargo ships to chocolate factories around the world. At the factory, every batch of cocoa beans goes through quality inspection. Experts carefully check the beans to ensure they are clean, fresh, and of high quality. Step 5. Cleaning the cocoa beans. The first step inside the factory is cleaning. Cocoa beans are poured into special cleaning machines that remove dust, stones, and other impurities. This process ensures that only pure cocoa beans move forward to the next stage. Clean beans are essential for producing high-quality chocolate. Step 6. Roasting the cocoa beans. The cocoa beans are transferred to large roasting machines. These machines roast the beans at temperatures between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius. Roasting develops the rich aroma and deep flavor of chocolate. During this process, the famous chocolate smell begins to appear. The roasting temperature and time are carefully controlled because they directly affect the final taste of chocolate. Step 7. Cracking and winnowing. After roasting, the beans move to cracking machines. These machines break the hard outer shells of the beans. Then another machine removes the shells and separates the inner pieces. These inner pieces are called cocoa nibs. Cocoa nibs are the most important ingredient used to make chocolate. Step 8. Grinding the cocoa nibs. Next, the cocoa nibs are placed into heavy grinding machines. During grinding, the nibs are crushed into a thick liquid known as cocoa liquor. This liquid naturally contains cocoa solids and cocoa butter. This stage is considered the core stage of chocolate production. Step 9. Mixing the ingredients. Now, the cocoa liquor is mixed with other ingredients such as sugar, milk powder, and additional cocoa butter. The exact ingredient ratio depends on the type of chocolate being produced. For example, dark chocolate contains more cocoa. Milk chocolate contains more milk powder and sugar. Large industrial mixers blend all ingredients together until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. Step 10. Refining the chocolate.
After mixing, the chocolate mixture goes through refining machines. These machines grind the mixture into a very fine and smooth texture. Refining reduces the particle size of the ingredients. Because of this process, the chocolate becomes silky and smooth when eaten. Step 11. Conching process. The next stage is called conching. In this process, the chocolate mixture is continuously mixed and heated in special machines for several hours and sometimes even days. Conching improves the flavor of chocolate, the smoothness of texture, the removal of excess moisture and unwanted flavors. This process is what gives chocolate its premium quality taste. Step 12. Tempering the chocolate. To give chocolate the perfect shape and shine, it must go through tempering. In this process, chocolate is carefully heated and cooled at specific temperatures. Tempering gives chocolate a smooth, glossy finish, a firm texture, and a clean snap when broken. This step is often considered the secret behind perfectly made chocolate bars. Step 13. Molding the chocolate. After tempering, the liquid chocolate is poured into special molds. These molds can create different shapes, such as bars, cubes, or other chocolate designs. Machines fill each mold with the exact amount of chocolate. Then the molds move through vibration systems that remove any air bubbles trapped inside the chocolate. Step 14. Cooling the chocolate. The filled molds are then sent through cooling tunnels. Inside these tunnels, the temperature is carefully controlled. This allows the chocolate to solidify and take its final shape. After cooling, the chocolate easily separates from the molds. Now the chocolate bars are perfectly shaped and ready for packaging. Step 15. Packaging process. The final step in chocolate production is packaging. Automatic packaging machines wrap the chocolate bars in foil and protective wrappers. Then the chocolates are packed into boxes and cartons. From there, they are transported to stores, supermarkets, and markets around the world. Every day, modern factories produce thousands of chocolate bars to meet global demand. Conclusion. So, this was the complete factory process of how chocolate is made, from raw cocoa beans to delicious chocolate bars. From harvesting and fermentation to roasting, grinding, mixing, and packaging, every step plays an important role in creating the chocolate we enjoy every day. Modern factories use advanced machines and technology to produce chocolate with consistent quality and taste. If you enjoyed watching this amazing factory production process, make sure to like this video. And if you want to watch more factory manufacturing videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next video with another amazing factory process.